And the third step I will be teaching you guys today is this step when you move by the side and as if you wind your hand to the other side, to the other direction. Then you move and you wind your hand. Pardon my breathing, dancing is not for the weak. Okay, so you stand and then you take some steps away from your position. Wind your hand to the other direction. Then you take step to the other direction. Wind your hand to the other one. But you'll be making use of your body. Don't forget that. Okay. Let's practice it. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When you're dancing, make use of your body. Like, are you seeing what I'm doing? 1, 1, 1. So this is just moving from your position, winding your hand and to the other direction, winding your hand to the other direction. That is just it. So we'll practice with music right away. That's for the third step. So here's the first step I'll be teaching you guys. This looks like the first step I taught you, where we did something like this, but no, this is a different step. This step, to make it more fine, when you move your hand, look to the direction you are moving your hand. Like, it's just the same thing as the first step, where you move your hand at the same direction with your leg. So let's practice with music. Okay, that's all for the first step. Okay, so the fifth step I'm going to teach you guys is this. Mind you, the basic steps in Igbo cultural dance is not just 5, but I'll just be teaching it one step at a time. You understand? So it will be easy for you. It's more about practicing. When you practice, you will learn. So here is the fifth. This is more of intro to the advanced. So you'll be making use of your leg, like all those dance that you see. But this is not like going deep into squatting or no. This is like the simpler part of this dance. This dance where you see people dance like this Enugu dance. But we'll be doing this one like to make it easy for you. Just bend down and be moving your leg. Watch my leg. When I move my hand, I move my leg like this. When I move my hand, I move my leg like this. Instead of bending like this, I'm moving my leg like this. Like this. So I'm doing. Here is how to do the dance. Watch me from the back. Bend your back. Bend your back like this. Bend your back like this. As if like you are like this. Come up a little. Then when you move your hand, you move your leg like this. When you move your hand, you move your leg like this. So let's practice this with music. And that's all for the 5 basic Igbo cultural dance I'll be teaching you guys today. So let's practice all of those things I've taught you guys together with this song. Alright, DJ. Okay, that's all for today. See you guys in my next Igbo dance tutorial. In the next video, I'll be teaching you guys more of advanced. So see you guys. I love you all.